Hello everyone. In the previous video, we talked about the most important, popular, and sought after job roles in AI and data. However, we missed talking about a very interesting job role that is slowly taking the world by storm. It's called prompt engineering. To understand what a prompt engineer does, we need to discuss in detail prompt engineering. In this video, we will discuss in detail what is prompt engineering, why is it important, and how you can do it. We'll explore how AI responses are affected by the prompts and how the right prompts can help you unlock the full potential of large language models. Let's dive in. What is a prompt? At the heart of every AI interaction lies a prompt, a carefully crafted input that guides the AI models like ChatGPT and Google Bard to generate relevant, appropriate, and accurate results. In other words, prompts are the short pieces of text that are used to provide context and guidance to machine learning models. By way of prompts, users can get relevant outputs which are close to the desired results. Let's understand prompts with the help of an example. You enter the text "What is prompt engineering" in the input box of ChatGPT to get information related to prompt engineering. Then, this text, "What is prompt engineering?" is the prompt for the ChatGPT generative AI model. It helps the model understand what is the intent and context of your query. Similarly, if you enter the text "How to learn coding," this text becomes the prompt for the AI model. So, prompts are the carefully crafted inputs, usually text, that give instructions and ideas to the generative AI model. Now, here's another important question. Are prompts something new? Well, the answer is a big no. We have been using prompts for a long time now, but it is only the rise of generative AI models like ChatGPT and Google Bard that prompts earned all the limelight. Whenever we do a search online, be it on any website, be it Amazon, be it Google, be it Facebook, be it Twitter, or any major website, we enter a prompt which tells the website what we are looking for, what we want to do, or what we are referring to. For example, when searching on Amazon for some shoes, you type "red casual shoes" as the prompt and get the search results. This isn't new, right? You have been doing this all the time. Similarly, on Google, you type "flight ticket price from Dubai to Delhi" to know the fare instantly. Even this is a prompt. In the real world, you go to the grocery store and ask "toned milk" to get the packet of milk you want. Even this is an example of a prompt. Fascinating and mind blowing, right? The only thing is that unknowingly or unconsciously, we have been using prompts all the time. Since prompts help the computers understand and gauge our requirements, they are quite common in the online world. But when all of us know about it and use it regularly, why do we need prompt engineers? Crafting effective prompts involves precision, logic, and creativity. One needs to understand the kind of data that the generative AI model is trained on to make the most out of the prompts. Additionally, it requires reframing and rephrasing the prompts several times to get to the right results. The process repeats until the most relevant, accurate, and appropriate output gets generated. Think of prompts as guiding a conversation with an AI model. Just like an artist perfecting their masterpiece, prompt engineers also improve their prompts over time and produce super results. Hence, dedicated prompt engineers are appointed by companies or organizations to tailor prompts for the task at hand. Now you must be wondering, what all tasks can be done using prompts? Well, the list is huge. From creative writing to coding, from recipes to data analysis, from resume writing to emails, from language translation to generating video summaries, the list is endless. Effective and appropriate prompts can help you do a wide range of tasks. The key is finding the prompt that gets the best results. Want to look at a few more examples? Let's go to Deep Dream Generator, which is an AI image generator tool. Let's enter the prompt, "a young boy with a rose in hand on a rainy day." Let's see the result. Isn't it great? Let's try one more prompt, this time with ChatGPT again. I have eggs, cheese, tomatoes, onions, and cucumber. What can I make with them? And ta-da! It gives you a quick recipe which is nutritious and delicious too. With that, you must have understood that the key to good prompts is including everything that influences the results of the AI model. But it's not without challenges. What are the challenges with prompt engineering? Challenges are associated with every field. Prompt engineering is no different. Vague, generalized, and confusing prompts can lead to irrelevant, incorrect, and inappropriate responses. Moreover, the bias in the prompt, that is, the inclination towards a thing, can influence the output significantly. Often, it takes a long time before one can reach to the best results. These challenges add more value to the role of a prompt engineer in making use of the generative AI systems. The bottom line is that prompt engineering shapes the human AI interactions, relationships, and collaborations. It helps humans achieve feats which were previously very tough or unimaginable. And there you have it, the intricate art of prompt engineering. Prompts are the words that bridge the gap between human intent and the AI generated output. With a rightly phrased and strategically conceptualized prompt, prompt engineers hold the key to unlocking the vast capabilities of AI models. Thank you for watching till the end. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, try out some prompts yourself and see if you get the results aligned with your expectations.